Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a Ducati chunky shoe. One of the coolest looking chunky shoes that you can buy on online shopping sites. So let's see if it is good enough for the price and also discuss about everything in detail. So let's go. As always, the Ducati box looks nice. We have a single Ducati logo here and everything else is black on the box. So that looks nice. On the side we have the official price, that is 4,999, and the production country is China, and on the top you can see the exact model name or the article code of this product, DTSS20LF005. Now let's open the box. The first impression of the shoe is nice as far as the designing is concerned, but the actual production quality or the finishing quality of the product is not good enough. That is my first impression of the product. But now let's talk about all the positive and negative parts of the shoe. Looking at the design, you can see everything is oversized, and that is the feature of a chunky shoe, and that thing is tastefully done on the shoe. Basically, you can see the midsole have a very good amount of height, and on the front we have groove designs, and on the outsole too you can see it is designed very aggressively, and here the grip is not bad. It is very adequate for most of the scenarios. Also, because of this teeth-like structures, it does have a very good amount of grip. Coming up top, you can see a Ducati text logo on this side, and on the back side you can see a Ducati logo. And here the black and the red combination matches very well, and we have the white accent going on here. So it is overall very good looking. And on the side, this Ducati text doesn't really feel like premium. It feels a little off. This print feels like a little cheap. And generally, the material used in this entire shoe is not that much breathable. And also the inside is black, which can cause a little bit of heating issue. So when it comes to the comfort of the shoe, there is a little amount of heating. So when you are traveling long distances or using it for intense workout or anything like that, I think normally nobody is going to buy this for workout, but in case if you are using it for some workout, it can cause a little bit of heating after some time. And when it comes to the actual comfort or the cushion effect of the footbed, it is not that much good. I'll show you. Even though it feels like a nice premium textured insole, it don't really have a good amount of cushion effect. So that's why the comfort of the shoe is average, not great comfort. So if you are planning to buy this for daily usage or ride something like that, but do not buy this for workouts or walking stuff like that. So always go for the aesthetics. Other than that, it is all average. Don't be get fooled because it is a premium brand. The product they are giving out is just officially licensed and production is by some other brand. So this won't have the quality of a high range Caterpillar shoe or the quality of some rugged shoes. But generally, if you are going for the looks, it will last you a good amount of time. But by telling you that it is not the best quality available, don't set your expectations to the peak because it is a Ducati product. So now let's do a little durability test right here. When I tested the durability, you can see there was a good amount of flexibility. That is because this midsole is not that hard. Even though it is chunky, it is a soft midsole. But because of that, you will have a better comfort. But the creasing effect can be seen very clearly. So if you use this for a long time, because of this outsole is very thick, it can cause compression and also have this kind of wrinkles. So sometimes this creasing can be a little annoying. So if you don't like creasing effect, be careful when you buy. Now when I stretch these parts, it doesn't have any problems. They hold up very well. And here when I scratch these Ducati logos, you can see they easily came off. So when you scratch it very much, it can come off. But in normal usage, for a limited amount of time, there will be no problems on these logos. But if you are scratching it or using it very roughly, it can be damaged easily. So these are my thoughts on this shoe. If you have any questions, you can comment it down below. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And for more honest reviews, subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.